The metric system is based on powers of 10. That's what makes it so easy to convert between metric units of length, weight, and capacity. The basic unit for metric length is the meter. Everything to the left of that here is larger than the meter. So kilometers, hectometers, and decameters are larger than the meter. To the right are things that are smaller. And so the decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter are all smaller than the meter. The same thing is true for units of weight, the gram, and units of capacity or volume, which is the liter. And so let's see how easy it is to change from one unit to the next. If I were to start with 908,000 centimeters, and I want to convert that into how many hectometers that is. Centimeters are small and hectometers are larger, and so there will be fewer of them. So I'm going to count how many columns I move from centimeters to hectometers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so that means I'm going to start with my decimal here and move it 4 places back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would have 90.8 hectometers is equivalent to those 908,000 centimeters. All right, so let's look at units of weight. If I start with 45 kilograms, kilograms are a larger unit of weight, and I'm going to convert to the DA is decagrams, and so that's 2 columns away, 1, 2. So I would start with where the decimal is now, and I would move it 2 places to the right. So I don't have anything here, so I can picture that this is really 45.00, and so I'm going to have to add those 2 zeros. So this is where my decimal was, and it's moved 2 places to the right. So 4,500 decagrams would be equivalent to the 45 kilograms that I started with. All right, and now let's look at capacity, which is liquid volume. If I have 2.6 liters, and I want to change that to milliliters, which are smaller, I move from the liter column 1, 2, 3 columns over to milliliters. So I move my decimal point 3 places to the right. So it's here, so 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have to add 2 zeros onto the end of that. And so that would be 2,600 milliliters.